China has reported a new cluster of infections in Wuhan. 5 new cases have been confirmed in a residential district. That's the highest number of cases recorded at the COVID-19 epicentre in more than a month. An official from the affected district has reportedly been sacked for failing to contain the virus.
Fears of a fresh wave of infections at the COVID-19 ground zero just as stringent movement controls were being relaxed. The latest patients lived in the same residential compound and are mostly elderly people. Close to a dozen new asymptomatic cases have also been reported in the wider Hubei province after a month of nearly no new infections. Concerns are also growing over a cluster of coronavirus infections in Shulan city along the northeastern China-Russia border. A lockdown has been reimposed in the city, the only place in China currently marked as high risk. The entire Jilin province has also raised its emergency alert up to the highest level. But authorities maintain that the outbreak in mainland China is under control. Lockdown measures across the country have begun to ease in recent weeks, with students returning to school and cinemas and sporting venues allowed to reopen.
And now, it's time for magic.
That includes Shanghai Disneyland, which has opened its gates for the first time in over 3 months. But the experience is not quite what it used to be. Strict measures are in place, including temperature taking and safe distancing. The park has also limited the number of visitors to just 20% of its usual capacity.
We've also enhanced our cleaning and sanitization throughout the park, so we have many more cast members out wiping down surfaces, high touch, medium touch, low touch objects to make sure again that we are providing that safe environment for our guests. In addition, we've added over 300 hand sanitizers throughout the park at the exits of attractions, inside shops and restaurants to make sure that our guests have that ability to continue to keep their hands clean, which is one of the major means of preventing transmission.
But the new measures did not deter thousands of people from streaming in, and tickets for the next couple of days have been sold out.
报的生日，然后没能来，又今天开园，或者带他过来，他特别高兴。
此刻心情非常激动，是内心很欢乐的，然后又焦虑，因为现在人疫情期间嘛，很担心这件事，所以就是这种心情。
This is the first Disney theme park to reopen since the pandemic began. The Magic Kingdom has not announced any plans for its 5 other parks to resume operations.